how to download Adobe Animate for free. So if you want to download Adobe Animate for free, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser and search for Adobe. Once you've searched, you will have all of these options, right? So you just need to simply go with a 7-day free trial or a 14-day free trial, depending on your country or your region. So go with the official website, which is www.adobe.com. And here you will have free trial option, right? So you just need to simply click on the free trial. After that, you'll be able to see 3 options: individual, business, and students or teachers. If you're using it on a single device, choose the individual plan. But if it's for multiple users or devices, you can go with the business plan, or you can also go with the student and teachers. Now, Adobe gives you a 14-day free trial or a 7-day free trial of Adobe Animate, plus a 30-day free trial of Adobe Stock. You can click on continue. After selecting it, next you need to enter your email address and hit the continue again. But make sure that you've selected add a 7-day free trial of Adobe Stock right here, because if you've not selected, then you won't get the free trial. So make sure that you've clicked this one, go with continue. After that, enter your details, including your card information, your email address, go with continue, and then it will take you to the payment section. But don't worry, you won't be charged until the free trial ends. Now just agree to the terms and click on subscribe. On the next screen, make sure that you created a password to your account and go ahead and download the Creative Cloud app. Install it, log in using the same email ID that you've used earlier. Once you're in, you can go with the app section, find the Adobe Animate, and you can hit the install, and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to download Adobe Animate for free. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.